Tesla Model 3 charging interruptions often stem from software glitches. Temporary bugs in the vehicle's firmware can cause false errors, leading to sudden stops during charge sessions. Hardware limitations also play a role. Problems such as charge port misalignment, dirt, or wear can trigger faults, especially in older Model 3 vehicles. External factors like your home's electrical infrastructure are another common cause. Voltage fluctuations, unstable power grids, or exceeding amperage limits can lead to charging stops. Newer Tesla Model 3 vehicles benefit from the transition to the NACS charging standard, which reduces compatibility issues with third-party chargers. Additionally, over-the-air software updates have significantly improved charging reliability. However, older Model 3 vehicles and those in areas with unstable power grids may still encounter these problems. There are three main reasons why your Tesla Model 3 might stop charging. The first is breaker tripping, which occurs when the vehicle draws too much current and overloads the circuit. The second reason is a charge port error. This can happen if there is dirt, debris, or misalignment within the port. Finally, software glitches can cause false errors. These are the three main error types that can cause your Tesla Model 3 to stop charging. If you encounter a charge port fault in your Tesla Model 3, start by identifying the CHG port fault error message. First, inspect the charge port for any dirt or debris that might be causing the issue. Next, clean the port using compressed air to remove any loose particles. Ensure the charging cable is fully inserted into the port and that the latch engages properly. Use Tesla's diagnostic tool available in the app or on the vehicle's touchscreen to check for issues. If problems persist, visit a Tesla service center for a professional check of pin alignment. Finally, try the viral fix. Apply Tesla-approved lubricant to the port and recalibrate using the app diagnostics. A tripped breaker is a common charging issue where your Tesla Model 3 draws more electrical current than your home circuit can safely handle. This safety mechanism prevents overheating or fire hazards by cutting power. To reset a tripped breaker, first unplug all devices from that circuit for safety. Locate your home's electrical panel. Find the breaker that's tripped, usually in the middle position, and firmly flip it to off, then back to on. Always wear safety gear and consider calling an electrician if unsure. If your breaker keeps tripping during charging, it means your electrical system can't handle the load. Consider upgrading to a 50-amp, 240-volt circuit with a Tesla wall connector. This provides faster, more reliable charging and prevents future issues. Professional installation is recommended for safety. To prevent breaker issues, monitor your charging amperage through the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen. This shows real-time current draw and helps you stay within your circuit's limits. Regular monitoring can prevent unexpected trips and ensure safe charging. Software glitches in your Tesla Model 3 can sometimes cause charging sessions to stop unexpectedly. These are often temporary issues that can be resolved with simple resets or by using diagnostic tools. Let's explore the most effective methods. The first method is a simple touchscreen reset. On your vehicle's touchscreen, go to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Power Off. From there, choose Reset Power to restart the vehicle's systems. This clears temporary software glitches without affecting your settings. For a more comprehensive reset, perform a full vehicle restart. While the car is parked and in park mode, hold down both the brake pedal and the shift pedal simultaneously for exactly 10 seconds. This forces a complete system reboot, which can resolve persistent software issues affecting charging. For ongoing diagnostics, use the Tesla mobile app. Version 5.0 and newer includes real-time monitoring of your vehicle's systems. Open the app, go to the charging section, and look for any error codes or diagnostic information that can help identify the specific issue causing your charging stops. If you encounter error codes through the app or touchscreen, make sure to record them exactly as they appear. Report these codes to Tesla service if the charging stops continue after trying the resets. This detailed information helps their technicians quickly identify and fix the underlying software or hardware issue. Charging reliability for Tesla Model 3 vehicles can be influenced by external factors, particularly extreme weather conditions. cold temperatures, snow, or ice can significantly slow down charging speeds and may trigger various errors by impacting battery chemistry and electrical connections. A positive trend in EV charging is the integration of home solar panels with Tesla Powerwall battery systems. This combination provides stable, renewable energy that reduces reliance on the electrical grid, leading to fewer charging interruptions and improved overall reliability. Looking ahead, Tesla's future firmware updates will incorporate AI-driven charging optimization, leveraging machine learning to predict and prevent potential errors before they occur. This could significantly reduce charging issues, alongside emerging technologies like wireless charging and universal charging standards. If basic troubleshooting steps like software resets, port cleaning, or breaker checks don't resolve the charging issues, it's time to contact Tesla service. Persistent errors such as recurring error codes after OTA updates, hardware malfunctions like damaged ports, or repeated breaker tripping, despite upgrades, warrant professional diagnostics. Tesla's warranty covers port replacements, but always consult a certified electrician for any electrical work to ensure safety and compliance.